In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Phone. When you're ready, hit Edit under current device name and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Lastly, to save your changes, hit Done. And as you can see, after that, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!